The central government has reached out to mainstream parties in the valley for a meeting next week to discuss the delimitation exercise or the process of redrawing constituencies in the Union territory. This could be a renewed and more substantive push to the political process in Jammu and Kashmir after the District Development Council elections in December. It is not confirmed if all members of the mainstream coalition, the People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, would join the meeting scheduled for June 24th. India's football captain Sunil Chhetri had one of the most poignant goodbyes to legendary athlete Milkha Singh, who died due to COVID-19 related complications at the age of 91 in Chandigarh. Chhetri shared that, "We may not have seen you compete, but every time we ran fast as kids, we ran like Milkha Singh." Prime Minister Modi, in his tribute, described Singh as colossal sportsperson who captured India's imagination. Modi said many budding athletes will derive strength from Milkha Singh's life journey. My condolences to his family and many admirers across the world. A Supreme Court judge on Friday withdrew herself from hearing the post-poll violence case in Bengal in which BJP workers were allegedly killed. "I do not wish to hear the case, not before me," Justice Indira Banerjee said as she recused herself from the case. Justice Banerjee is from Kolkata. Families of the victims had gone to court asking for a Central Bureau of Investigation probe. Due to Justice Banerjee's withdrawal, the case will now be sent to another bench. India has abstained on a UN General Assembly resolution on Myanmar, saying its views have not been reflected in the draft, and New Delhi does not believe the resolution, tabled hastily, is conducive to aiding our joint efforts towards strengthening democratic process in the country. The UN General Assembly adopted the draft resolution, The Situation in Myanmar, on Friday, with 119 member states voting in favor, including Myanmar, while 36 nations abstained, including Myanmar's neighbors, India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Laos, Nepal, and Thailand. Russia also abstained. Superstar Rajinikanth is headed to the US for a regular health checkup as per India Today. Rajinikanth and his wife Lata were spotted at the Chennai International Airport on Friday. Some photos and videos of Thalaiva have gone viral on social media platforms. As per reports, Rajinikanth is heading to the US to get his general health checkup done. The couple is expected to spend the next few weeks there as he will undergo a few tests. The actor is expected to return to India by July 8th.